Let's see how the RustOff performs on this steel column. With power of up to 2000 watts and a selection of patterns to choose from, which can be changed in width and height, the RustOff should yield some exciting results. And straight off the bat, the RustOff removes the rust super fast and effectively, no matter which pattern and size combination is used. If you are interested, just call sales to set up an appointment for your very own personal demonstration.